All right, so we're back here with another episode of the F-150. It's been a couple days now since I got it back running. Everything's been running pretty good on it. Pretty stout truck. We got the bed and everything on it. Dual tanks, bed liner. We got the side steps, brackets, everything. Were completely rusted off the side steps, so we're gonna have to remake these original brackets and stuff that hold them on. But we got pour 15 whole frame, new gas tank, front and rear. Turned out pretty decent. Truck has that side molding on here, and to be that, kind of jumps out a bit, but I think we're gonna leave it on because if we take it off, it's gonna be the paint. It's gonna be a paint from the new paint versus 30-year-old paint that's been out in the sun. So it's going to be a difference, and you're going to see where they used to be. So once we repaint the whole cab and fenders, then we're going to have to leave them on for now. All right, so we put a new radiator support in this thing. The old one was pretty rusted out. There's hardly no metal around the mounts down there on the bottom. Also, they had to put a new water pump on. The old one was leaking pretty bad. And we're going to do other general maintenance stuff. Got some new radiator hose. And we had a new radiator right here. It's a little thicker than the last one. So I think we're going to have to cut and trim the shroud a little bit so it's not back into the motor itself. And of course we got new tires, different style wheels, everything on it. Looks pretty good. Hopefully we'll get some new exhaust on this thing too. The exhaust that's on it right now is pretty rough. And the old radiator support we got out here is you can see there's hardly anything left. Each corner of this thing is gone. Got that. We got the LED lights mounted in the back of the bumper here, and once we get everything back together, we'll wire them up. We'll switch on the dash. All right, front end's mostly back together on this thing. Got the radiator, everything in. This thing, I don't think wasn't too hard to get back together. I mean, had to run some self tappers for the fan shroud to bolt up to the radiator. That was really the only issue. Getting ready to put the bumper and stuff on. We got the dash cover out and going to put in a toggle switch here for the lights in the bumper. All right, bumper's back on. Got the lights, everything wired up. Everything's running pretty good on it. Got a few more things to clean up, but almost ready to be back on the road. Got a little toggle switch here. Lights aren't too terrible. I think they're from Tractor Supply. I mean, for what they are, pretty good. Alright, so this thing's back running how it should be. Put the new oil pressure sending unit in, and that fixed the gauge there. Been running good. We got a radio and stuff in it now. Sounds pretty decent. We got everything underneath the hood. We've been kind of soaking with some silicone-based cleaner, getting all the black plastics back to how they looked when they were new. Probably might soak it another time or two, but looks pretty good. All right, so that's another flare side there that's done. Be on the road here soon. Anyway, thanks for watching